Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the lesson parallel lines. Today we will discuss to divide a line segment into equal parts. So first example, divide a line segment AB is equal to 6 cm into 5 equal parts. First draw AB 6 cm. Now at A, draw an arc. Draw an arc like this, and the same measurement cut this arc, and the same measurement with the same measurement at B. Draw one more arc, and from this point cut that arc. The measurements are same. Okay. Now join this point with the A and draw ray. Let this be AP. And now join this point and B and draw the ray like this. Let this be Q. It is AP is parallel to AQ. This is 60 degree and this is also 60. So 60, 60. The Z means what? The alternate interior angles. So this AP is parallel to PQ. Now on AP, draw equal, cut that into equal parts, 5 equal parts. So here you have to cut into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and same on BQ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So you got 5 arcs. Now give the name. It is a so this one will be A1, this is A2, this is A3, A4, A5. This point on the ray, that is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Same way on BQ. This is B1, this is B2, B3, B4 and B5. Now join A5 and B and A5 with the dotted lines. Okay. Now join A4 and B1 straight. Now B2 and A3, B3 and A2, B4 and A1. Now B5 and A, that is dotted lines. Okay. Now give the names. This on AB, this is C1, this is C2, this is C3 and this is C4. This is first part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth part. The line segment AB is divided into 5 equal parts. Hope you understood. So draw AB 6 centimeter. At A, draw an arc or a semicircle, and with the same radius cut that arc and draw AP ray. Okay. At B, with the same radius as this, draw a semicircle, and from here cut that arc and draw PQ. AP is parallel to BQ. Then on both the rays mark equal arcs. Then join A5 with B, A4 with B1, A3 with B2, A2 with B3, A1 with B4 and A with B5. You will get 5 equal parts. Now in this next example, divide a line segment AB 6 centimeter in the ratio 4:3 internally. If it is 4:3, what we have to do is 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So we have to divide it into 7. Here marking should be 7 small divisions. It should be there on both the rays. We will see now how. So first draw 6 centimeter. In the center you have to draw 6 centimeter. A, B, 6 centimeter. Now we will, the method is same. Now what we have to do? Arc, isn't it? So any measurement, draw an arc or a semicircle, cut that, and same measurement at B, and cut on the lower side. One is above the line, the other is below the line. Okay, this, join this point and A, continue. Okay, you can give AX and this point and B, let it be Y. AX and B, Y. Now at A, any measurement, 7, 4 plus 3 is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now on BY the same way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Now give the names. It is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7. Now here this is B1, not this point, remember this is the other one. So that is why don't take the same measurement. It is B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7. Now 4:3. So 4:3. For that, what we have to do is first join B with the last point A7 with the dotted line, B7 with the A dotted line. Now 4:3. So A4 and B3. Only one line in between. A4 and B3. 4 on A, X, and 3 is on B, Y. So A4 and B3. Now this is C. So this is 4:3. 4:3. Hope you understood. So you have to divide the line segment in the ratio of 4:3. So how many parts? 4 plus 3, 7. Then join 4, A4 and B3. Then you will get the line is divided in the ratio of 4:3. These are the examples. Okay. Now coming to the worksheet. Okay, shall we start the worksheet? Worksheet 3. Draw a line segment AB is equal to 5 centimeter and divide it internally into 6 equal parts. So first we have to draw 5 centimeter. In the center, the method is now same. 5 centimeter, this point, okay, A, B, 5 centimeter. Now at A, draw an arc with any radius, cut and the same radius with same radius at B, draw an arc and cut that arc. Now join both. Draw AX, ray AX, and B1. Now 6 equal parts. So this has to be divided into 6 parts. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same way. It's 1. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Give the names A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. Now B and A6. B and A6 with the dotted line. Now B1 and A5, B2 and A4, B3, B4 and B5, A1. Hope everyone understood. Okay, so this is a C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. 6 equal parts. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Is it clear? Now coming to the next, draw a line segment of 6.4 centimeter. Same method, 6.4. This is 6.4. This is 0. This line segment is 6.4. A, B, 6.4 centimeter. 4 equal parts. So at A, cut that with the same radius. Now at B, now cut it. Now join both. This is ray AX. Now join this point with the B. This is BY. Now 4 equal parts. So divide AX and BY into 4. Mark small 4 divisions. Okay, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. On BY, similar way. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now give the names A1, A2, A3, A4. Now here B1, B2, B3 and B4. Now A4 and B. A4 and B with the dotted lines, isn't it? Extremes are with the dotted lines. then B1 and A3, B2 and A2, B3 and B4 and A. Now they have asked 4 equal parts, isn't it? This is C1, C2, C3, but you got 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. Okay, now what is the length of each part? How much it should be? 6.4 upon 4. 4 ones are 4, 2 remains, 4 6 are 24. It should be 1.6 centimeter. Check. It is a 1.6 it should be. So each AC1 is equal to C1 C2 is equal to C2 C3 is equal to C3 B is equal to 1.6 centimeter. Isn't it? When you measure, it should come like that. 1.6 approximately. Is it okay? So we have completed the worksheet 1, worksheet 3, question number 1 and 2 and the 2 examples. Hope you understood the method. Bye. Thank you.